Good morning. This is 8th grade, session 15. Looking at love today. There are 4 different Greek words for love. In English, we only have 1, or 2 if you count like. But in Greek, there's 4, and it's beautiful to know the different types of love. They're all good in their proper context. So go ahead and read about these different kinds of love. And then in these boxes, you can list the things and people that you love with those particular types in your life. So which things do you storge, which things do you philia, and which things do you agape? Go ahead and read these and answer the questions and reflect. Okay, so for this, which virtue is which, you go ahead and match the different virtues to this example of them in the statement over here. Okay, so I'm going to describe each one. So there is prudence, temperance, justice, and fortitude are the 4 cardinal virtues. Those are human virtues, good habits, which all other virtues or good habits are built out of. And then there are the theological virtues, which means coming from God directly, not from our own efforts, which are faith, hope, and charity. It's us saying yes to God. Charity in this case meaning love, the highest love. Okay, so what is prudence? Prudence is wisdom. It is seeing what are the best goals to have and how we get there. Temperance is being able to control your physical appetites for our sexuality as well as our appetite for food, all of those bodily appetites. Justice is giving to God and each person what is their due, what they deserve, and fortitude is courage. The theological virtues, faith is believing in God, trusting in what He has said as true. Hope is trusting that He will bring about what He has promised He will do. It's not the same as saying, I hope I get a particular birthday present. That's not a certain hope. It's just I wish I had this for my birthday present. But true hope in the virtue sense is I have hope. I have trust that God will be giving to me what He has said He will. What He will bring me to where He said He will. And then charity or love is caring about others the way God does, or in God's case, valuing Him above all things. That is love or charity. So, with that in mind, we'll look at these statements. And then you can go ahead and put down your answers next to them. Go ahead and pause the video and I'll show you mine as well. Okay? Alright, so welcome back. I have temperance, hope, fortitude, justice, charity, faith, and prudence. And you can write your own example of them here, whichever virtues you prefer. Okay, so now you're going to summarize each of these statements in your own words. You read this, go ahead and summarize it here, about what Jesus teaches us about love. And then just put into your words everything that you have learned about love from our Lord right here. Learning about the greatest love. Go ahead and read from 1 Corinthians 13 and answer the question. God bless you. Have a beautiful week.